WUSA 9 Weather Impact is sponsored by Morgan & Morgan.
Good Monday afternoon. I'm meteorologist Caitlin McGrath. Another windy day so far. We've gusted up to 60 miles per hour at Reagan National, 36 for a peak wind gust in Andrews and Manassas, 45 back into Hagerstown. It's still going to be really windy as we head throughout the rest of the day today, but nowhere near as gusty as it was to start. We'll still see winds gusting anywhere between about 30 to possibly 40 miles per hour for the next several hours here, and with temperatures that will struggle to make it up to the 40-degree mark. It's going to feel even colder than it actually is. But then later this evening, wind starts to taper off. It's still noticeably breezy with wind gusting anywhere from about 15 to 25 miles per hour throughout the evening, but it won't be as strong as it was to start the day. Skies will stay nice and clear over the next few hours and into the evening, and that will allow our temperatures to drop back into the 20s. It is going to be another very cold start to Tuesday with the temperature only around 24 degrees in D.C., low 20s from Frederick down into Leesburg and Manassas, even a few teens for areas farther north and west over toward Hagerstown and down into Martinsburg. So throughout Tuesday, it's going to be another day where the wind chill will be a factor, still breezy, not as windy, but still only going to feel like the teens and 20s throughout much of the day on Tuesday. We'll still have some nice sunshine, a few more clouds around. It won't be as bright as today, but still a relatively nice winter day to get outside with those cold temperatures. But all eyes are looking ahead to Wednesday, Thursday, and the potential for snow. And if you are a snow lover, this is not the track you want to see. We are continuing to see models push this storm farther south and keeping it offshore. The storm would develop around lunchtime on Wednesday, and being right on the fringe of things, we would likely see a period of some light accumulation, especially for areas south and east of D.C. The farther north and west you are, the less snow you'll see out of this. The bullseye of this storm going to be down into parts of northeast North Carolina and southeast Virginia over toward Norfolk. That could be one of the highest snowfall totals. And then as we look ahead toward Thursday, as the storm pulls away, we'll likely wrap in a few more flakes as we head throughout Thursday morning and afternoon, but the storm is long gone as we look ahead to Thursday evening. So when all is said and done throughout Wednesday, maybe up to a quarter-inch of snow for D.C., half an inch for Prince Frederick over toward Fredericksburg. Already Willing have picked up 6 inches down toward Norfolk with more snow farther south and east of D.C., 2.7 degrees by Wednesday in Tappahannock. But mind you, the storm continues into Thursday. So when all is said and done, likely looking at a widespread half an inch to an inch across most of the DMV with more snow farther south, maybe up to 3.1 in Tappahannock, 3.5 closer to Richmond, and could be nearly a foot of snow down into Norfolk. So this is not looking like a storm for us, but as we get through the next day or two, we'll get some more high-resolution data and better fine-tune the track of that storm. But it looks like we will see some snow, just not a lot of snow. And that's really our only chance for a storm in the extended forecast. We'll dry things out beyond the storm on Thursday with temperatures that will get slightly warmer, but still about 10 degrees below average as we close out the week. Plenty of cold air in place for that storm as it moves in, just not the track that we need to get accumulating snow. Now, as we look at the long-range forecast, if you are not a fan of the cold temperatures, because mind you, we stay in the 30s all the way through next Saturday, we do look to warm up looking ahead to next week with temperatures potentially in the mid to upper 50s starting on Monday and lasting through much of the week. So really nice and bright here for the next couple of days, just windy and cold. We have issued weather impact alerts ahead of Wednesday and Thursday because there will still be some impact. It's just not a ton of snow for our area, but then we'll clear skies out by Thursday evening. We'll close out the week and head into the following weekend with nice sunshine and temperatures just a little on the chilly side.